Entering the hold.
Flight level 070 and 002 on the altimeter, JetBlue 850.
Winner 657, confirm you're in front of the hangar and the Charlie Ram.
We are right in front of the hangar, 1 2 wind.
657, are you able to echo?
Yeah, 1 2 wind.
Winds are 11010.
30
657, roger. Echo, line up runway 28.
Flying down to 250 over to Airways, speed 857.
taxi for 28.
American 866, Juliana, roger. Break, wind are 657 from Echo, runway 28, clear takeoff, winds are 11009.
Clear takeoff, runway 28 from Echo 657.
Oscar, November, Delta, Uniform, Juliana, good day, report 30 miles south, 11009, QNX 3002. 0161.
Juliana, Echo, Delta, November 212, 140 at the boundaries, 4104.
Greenbird 212, Juliana, good day, traffic opposite direction, ATR should be crossing you off to your left in 1 minute. Maintaining flight level 130, February report visually crossing, you're clear directed Grand Cloud 12009, QNH 3002.
Okay, we have the traffic inside, no access for our descent to 212.
Roger, sir, with the traffic descent and maintain 4000 on QNH 3002, call Grand Cloud and site for the visual approach if able.
Okay, direct Grand Cloud 3002, descending 4000, visual back to 212.
American 867, you are now recleared direct to Vaki. You're cleared for the approach aboard Lesser inbound.
Okay, we're just starting our turn inbound now, and understand right turn direct to Avaki. We'll call Lesser inbound. We're cleared for the RNAV runway 10, American 867.
JetBlue 850, continue descent now to 4,000 feet on QNH 3002. When established on the radio 276 inbound, reduce the minimal approach speed for spacing behind Airbus, turning to a 15-mile final 10.
Okay, we'll descend 4,000, inbound will sort of minimum speed and give you a call, JetBlue 850.
Delta 919, taxi to holding point Echo behind additional Airbus.
Okay, taxi to Echo behind the Airbus, Delta 919.
And American 866, can you taxi up a bit closer to your company, sir?
Yes, we can, American 866.
And American 877, you may taxi up to Echo, however, do not turn yet. So remain parallel, taxi up a bit further.
American 878 will taxi just short of the Echo, but not turn onto it.
Affirm, sir. You could expect departure in approximately 8 minutes. We have 2 landing traffic. Atutalo, 119.1.
Thank you. JetBlue 850, we're inbound.
JetBlue 850, Juliana, roger. Reduce the minimum approach speed. Continue to descend to 4,000 feet.
Okay, down to 4,000 feet, we're slowing up right now.
Westjet 2652, you may continue to your gate Alpha 1, sir.
Gate Alpha 1, thanks, Westjet 2652.
American 867, runway 10, you're clear to land. Winds are 110 degrees, 10 knots.
Understand, clear to land, and on runway 10, we'll call Lesser inbound, American 867.
Center 657, airborne 55, report 8 miles.
8 miles, 57.
American 878, you're now recleared, flight level 150.
Up to 150, American 878.
American 866, you are recleared, flight level 140.
140 for American 866.
Delta 919, you are recleared for level 130.
130 on the altitude, Delta 919.
Greenbird 212, clear for the visual approach, report out of 4,000 feet descending.
So back out to 4,000 feet, visual approach to the
Leah 610, Juliana, good afternoon. Advise ready for descent. Winds are 11010, QNH 3002. Leah 610 traffic to the Cessna 172, approximately 30 miles to the south of Juliana at a 3,000 feet, climbing 55 southbound. Fox Oscar November Delta uniform traffic is a dash 8, just check the local, maintaining flight level 100 en route to Juliana. Lapin 336 Alpha, good afternoon, runway downwind, 11009, QNH 3002, traffic opposite direction, Twinfrozr, approximately 5 miles to the southeast of Juliana, 1,500 feet, report a beam point blanche. 657, opposite direction Caravan, approximately 11 DME to the southeast of Juliana, 1,000 feet, contact Mainboard, 1845, good day.
BAWBA2157, clear to intercept
JetBlue 850, continue descent to 2,600 feet on QNH 3002.
Cleared 8.07, present altitude tower at the mark.
JetBlue 850, confirm a minimum approach speed.
British Airways, stage 157.
JetBlue 850, confirm minimum approach speed.
Speed is 145 knots.
Thank you much, sir. Center 435 to Alpha, hold short 10-12009, QNH 3002. Station calling Juliana, say again. Station inbound from Mainboard. Say again.
American 867, lessor inbound.
American 867, clear to land. Winds are 120 degrees 09 knots. Be advised, once landing, I'm going to need to expedite and clear at Charlie due to traffic close behind.
Clear to intercept runway 07, maintain 3000. Report tower at the marker. Frequency is 118.
Winds are 13009. Traffic 10 miles to the south of Juliana. Confirm a Blackfin Caravan. 336, roger. Who's ahead of you? 336 Alpha, Juliana, roger. Report a beam point blanche. Winds are 12010, QNH 3002. Break, Leah 610. Descend to and maintain 4000 on QNH 3002. Juliana, roger. Greenberg 212, Juliana, roger. Contact Grand Cas 192, good day.
Tower British Airways, stage 157. On final, request landing. British Airways, BA2157.
Delta uniform, contact 3 Super approach, 119.1, good day.
30.005900666.
Passing 336 Alpha, you are number 3 in sequence following an Embraer on a 10-mile final runway 10, extend westbound.
Copy that, 336 Alpha, we extend westbound, number 3 to Embraer.
And 336, you are going to follow your company westbound.
Hello, company westbound 326. 45 minutes, Alpha 180.
435, roger, I have you.
315, code 4734, flight number 90.
Leah 315, Juliana, good day. Winds are 13008, QNH 3002. Report still good for descent.
002, calling for descent, Leah 315.
JetBlue 850, you're clear for the RNF GNSS approach runway 10, report a 3-mile final 10.
Good on that approach 10, report a 3-mile final, JetBlue 850.
American 867 on a time 03, backtrack runway 10, vacate via Charlie, expedite your backtrack to Alpha 4.
Okay, backtrack now, exit Charlie, and we'll expedite Alpha 4, American 867.
JetBlue 850, continue approach, expect landing clearance shortly. Airbus backtracking the active to clear at Charlie.
1,000.
Thank you. Juliana, Woodward 659.
659, Juliana.
Requesting taxi to support.
Approaching 0.
659, you're going to give way to the Airbus proceeding to Alpha 4, taxi to holding point Alpha, hold 010, 13007, QNH 3002.
By any chance, is it Echo 28 possible?
Negative.
Okay, down Alpha, Woodward 659.
Winner 435, squawk 0136, line up and wait, be ready for immediate traffic, Embraer 4 mile final.
Ready for the immediate for the window 435, squawk 0136.
Stand by further descend at 610.
Lay at 610, continue to descend now 2,600 feet, QNH 3002, call field insight.
2,600 feet, 3002, we got field insight, lay at 610.
Lay at 610, Juliana, roger, proceed overhead for left downwind, runway 10, maintain 2,600 feet.
Maintain 2,600 feet overhead for left downwind, runway 10, lay at 610.
435, maintain 15, clear immediate takeoff, 13007.
British Airways, BA2157, contact ground
326 Alpha, turn behind.
gauges, right 121.9. British Airways, BA2157.
JetBlue 850, 3 miles out, runway 10.
JetBlue 850, runway 10, you clear to land, winds are 130 degrees, 07 knots.
Runway 10, clear to land, JetBlue 850.
Get 315, descend to and maintain 4,000 on QNH 3002.
Got a 4,000, 3002, 315.
And American 878, 866 and Delta 919, we have approximately 5 traffic inbound. Behind that, I have some space, so I'm going to try and get all you guys out in approximately 10 minutes. Blackfin 336, confirming you have your company in sight. 336, real follow behind. And 336 Alpha, be advised the Embraer will have to clear at Charlie, intersection Echo and Delta are closed. And Lee at 610. Once overhead the Papa Kilo Mike, you are cleared. You're cleared for the visual approach. Join left downwind. You are number 3 in sequence, following 2 caravans, joining a 6 mile final runway 10.
I copy 1 select for a visual approach, left downwind, copy the traffic there, 610, we'll be looking.
Leah 315, you are cleared direct 2,600 feet, correction, cleared 4,000 feet, you're cleared direct to Uluba. Call field insight for the visual approach, you are currently number 4 in sequence, following your company dash rate overhead of Papa Kilo Mike VOR.
Number 4 in sequence, clear to 4,000, direct Kilo 315.
Leonard 435, airborne 06, report 10 miles.
Call you 10 miles for the window 435.
JetBlue 850 on a time 07, backtrack runway 10, vacate via Charlie, and your parking position is Alpha 2, expedite your backtrack, sir.
Backtrack, exit via Charlie, JetBlue 850.
When correction, Blackfin 336, report to DME. Lee at 610, the caravan traffic is established on a 7 mile final runway 10, reported the caravan in sight. There is currently 2, one on approximately 5 miles, the other one just reported 7.
Alright, we'll report traffic in sight there, 610.
Station calling, Juliana, second. 659, Roger, have your request.
Juliana, good afternoon, differential 34 Golf Whiskey with you.
34 Golf Whiskey, Juliana, good day, report 35 miles to descent, 11008, QNH 3002, break, windward 659er, line up and wait, be ready for
Ground
immediate
control,
departure.
British Airways, BA157 is clear of the runway, request taxi to parking. British Airways, BA157, taxi via Charlie to Terminal 1, Gate 2 via Charlie to Terminal 1, Gate 2, British Airways, BA157.
Takeoff 1100. Blackfin 336 Alpha, range to clear at Charlie 10, you clear to land, winds are 11007. Lay at 3, correction 610, you should have that caravan traffic off to your left. 610 with a caravan in sight, you may join final behind.
And the 435 looking for the climb.
435, continue your climb. Contact stable on 118.25. Good day.
Going to 25 and with the climb to 2000 for the wind with the 435.
DME, Franchise 34 Golf Whiskey, flight level 140.
34 Golf Whiskey, descend to and maintain 4000, QNX 3002, call Grand Cas Antec for the visual approach if able.
Down to 4,000 feet 3002, we call you back Grand Cas inside for the visual, Franchise 34 Golf Whiskey.
Leah 315 clear for the VOR Zulu straight and approach on 10, report field inside for the visual approach.
Yeah, for the VOR Zulu approach, call you field inside, yeah, 315.
Left 336 Alpha, 09er, taxi in. 33610, clear to land, winds are 11007, arrange to clear at Charlie.
Delta 1026.
Leah 315, if able, navigate directed to Beer.
Direct to Beer, 315.
American 878, 866, and 919. You could expect to be in the air in approximately 5 minutes. You guys can get ready.
I believe you said 25 minutes, American 878?
0505.
Okay, 05 minutes, American 878.
Okay.
Lapin 33610, taxi in. Leah 610, clear to land, winds are 12008.
That's an area 10, 610.
Winner 659, Mainboard 1845, good day.
1845, to the back. And we have visual, yeah, 315.
Leah 315, declare for the visual approach, report a 3-mile final runway 10.
315,
Ground control,